Hey my sassies, and welcome back to Projections of Sassiness, where projects and sassiness go hand in hand. We're going to jump in today's video of the shed build and the progress that we've made completing the inside of the shed. So watch the video all the way through, like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started, y'all. Okay, y'all. So let's go out here and see where we've gotten so far with the shed. Okay, it's a mess out here because we got tools everywhere. It just looks a hot mess. So here is the shed. And pretty much just the door and the window there, because I want to put like something right in between, maybe some kind of wrought iron art right there. And then down at the bottom here, I'm gonna cover that up because that's not sassy at all. So maybe some decorative trim, maybe lattice, I don't know. What do you guys think? Give me some ideas down in the comments. But some kind of decorative trim to cover up that brown and those wood studs, wood planks, I don't know what they have right there. Wedges, wood wedges that they have to support the bottom of the shed. And then on the top it has, well, you can't really see it, but you saw it earlier when he was working on the roof. It has the shingles. So let's go in. I did unlock this. It is a hot mess in here too. We got drywall crumbs all over the place. That is the flooring that you saw me purchase earlier. And you know, this was quite inexpensive. It was about 79 cents. And I mean, it's good durability. It's good for what I need it for. I'm gonna just be doing crafting in here and my soap in here and everything. So, you know, we can make it cute on a budget. And that's what we did. So this is our drywall here, and I just have to sand down, knock off some of this joint compound. And I did the taping to combine the joints, to seal up the joints. I have to finish closing off the window here. And I have to thank my hubby and my boys for being the muscle behind this drywall installation. And they also helped tremendously with the insulation too. You guys saw that? Because y'all know, if it was just me, this little piece right here, this is a small piece of drywall, I still would have been lifting that to this day, y'all. But no, I am the visionary. See, I see it, and they're the muscle, so it works out right. I have to put the joint compound up there and tape as well on both sides. Spin over here and see. At each end here, the peaks, I'm thinking this faux brick panel, I have some left over, so I'm going to close that up with that right in the peaks on that side and here. Okay, I keep flying by this here because I had to try it out, but I'm going to be showing you guys when I do this German schmear on the back of on the back wall. So on this brick faux wall here. And yeah, that's it. I mean, it's coming along. We're almost done. Ooh, I can't wait to mop this floor. You know, I got some little pavers that I had and made little steps right there. I think I'm gonna Gorilla glue those together or something so that they don't wobble. But yeah, you guys, what do you think? I got a whole box of joint compound that's gonna finish up, and I'm gonna texturize these walls. Kind of do an orange peel with this joint compound down here. And then paint, I think I'm gonna go with like this really, really light green. You know, it is very light. I mean, it's like a tint, a very, very light tint of green that's gonna go on these walls. All right, y'all, so thank you for watching, and continue to watch for the rest of my journey as me fixing up the she shed. I said she shed again. Oh, these lights down here I got from Amazon. They are solar. Oh, let me show you that. So, there's the solar panels on that side, and there's one on the opposite side too. So they're just solar lights, and they come with these remotes. I got two of them, and they came with two remotes, but one remote will power both of them, and you can adjust the light setting to bright, warm, on something else. So let me show you the remote. here is the remote here. So, let's see. Oh, it's a mess in here, but see? Isn't that neat? And then you can change the brightness. And then you can change the color. Pretty neat, huh? I think they were like, I think 2 for $30, $40, something like that. Not bad at all. But I think I need to get 1 more. So I can have 3. Let me turn that off. And they're gonna hang up here, and I'm just gonna put, I don't know if you guys saw my Amazon, my favorites from Amazon. I got some of that cord hider. So when you have like your plugins or your wires running, you can hide underneath the cord hiders. I forget what they're called, but I'll pop a video up at the top if you haven't seen that one. And that is it, you guys. I'm excited. What do you guys think? Let me know. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you lasted all the way through because this is a little bit longer than I usually do. But I appreciate you guys. Have a great weekend. Until the next video, y'all. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, y'all, always stay sassy.